Liberty Investment Kirinaga is smart staking with guaranteed growth. Liberty Investment Kirinaga is your guide into the world of smart investments. To break it down, Liberty Kirinaga is a professional staking business that combines cutting-edge technology with market analysis, uses diversified strategies with neutral risk, and is in partnership with industry leaders like Certik, Slowmist, and CoinCover. Now, where does LIK actually invest? In high-yield liquidity pools such as the DeFi and DEX platforms, in promising startups like DeFi, W3, Play to Earn, and AI, and in tokenized assets which are crypto-backed for guaranteed yield. LIK also has expert project selection, which means technology analysis for uniqueness and scalability, a profitability forecast for 3 to 5 years, and team due diligence, which means you directly benefit from LIK's experience and the reputation of its founders. LIK utilizes risk-neutral strategies such as diversification, which means 60% low-yield assets and 40% high-yield assets, as well as hedging through stablecoins like USDT and USDC. The staking product yield comes out per day between 0.45 and 0.83%, per week between 3.15 to 5.81%, and per month between 13.5 and 24.9%, and per year between 162% to 298.8%. So an investment of 10,000 USDT after a year would amount to a return of 26,356 to 39,676 USDT. The investment conditions are simple. The deposit starts at 5,000 USDT. The minimum term is 4 months, payouts are weekly, and you are absolutely covered by the company's reserve fund insurance, which covers up to 80%. As for community and trust, 95% of investors reinvest after the first year. And the average yield in 2024 was 214% with neutral risk. I'm going to give you an example of a success case. An investor X, was able to grow 5,000 USDT to 32,000 USDT after 18 months. Liberty Investment Kirinaga also offers referral programs and bonuses. The first line of the referral program is for 12% of the income of the direct referral. The second line is for 8% of the income of their partners, and the third line is for 3% of the income of the entire network. So for example, with a referral's income of 50,000 USDT, your income would be 6,000 USDT. There are 3 statuses you could have: leader, top leader, and ambassador. If your status is leader, conditions include purchasing a product starting at 1,000 USDT. Turnover per the first line is 7,500 USDT cumulative. Turnover in the second line is 35,000 cumulative. And turnover in the third line is 175,000 USDT, also cumulative. The bonus is 17,500 USDT. If your status is top leader, conditions include purchasing a product starting at 5,000 USDT. Turnover in the first line is 25,000 USDT cumulative. Turnover in the second line is 95,000 USDT cumulative. And turnover in the third line is 750,000 USDT. The bonus is 87,000 USDT. If your status is ambassador, conditions include purchasing a product for 50,000 USDT, and the total turnover of the entire structure is 5 million USDT. The bonus is 680,000 USDT. And this is very important. Statuses are valid for 1 year, after which they will reset. Now for safety and commissions. Commissions are a 3% withdrawal fee, and the withdrawal fee is only 3% after the minimum operating period. Protections include 2FA, SSL, and encryption. Backup copies are made daily, and Liberty Kirinaga is in partnership with Binance Custody. So if you're wondering how to start, there's only 2 easy steps. The first step is, of course, registration, which you can do through the mini app, Telegram, or LIK's website, and it should take at most 2 minutes. And the second step is choosing the product staking and topping up your account from 500 USDT. And remember, when you invest in Liberty Investment Kirinaga, you invest in technologies that change the world.